data from the various county governments, and they're updated on on a fairly regular basis. They're not going to be updated on a daily basis. So the kind of customers that typically would that would be businesses and other people interested in geocoding applications are usually pretty happy with the level of currency that we have on that data. For a city government, however, a city government or a county government may want to use their own point centroid database in order to use that for parcels for matching. So with that, of course, we have the capability of allowing them to do that for their given municipality or county. But that is true. The national data vendors that we work with and the update schedule that we have, we're not going to be as current or accurate as, let's say, a local county or city government.
Okay. We've got about 7 minutes left. We've got several more questions. Let's see if we can knock a few of these out. How does reverse geocoding work in areas without street addresses, such as a national forest? I want to map some features in urban and some in remote rural areas.
Okay, well, since this is a technical one, I'll handle this one too. In that case, I mean, you need something to match it against. So there has to be some sort of underlying data set. In a case like that, it's somewhat similar to the last question. Is if you had a set of points or features or landmarks or points of interest that you'd want to match against, reverse geocoding could match to that also. But reverse geocoding will match to the closest address or point or parcel to where it's near, but certainly a geocoding database